Hey there. If you've ever wondered what a $200 brake service from a dealership is all about, let me show you. There are these things called slide pins. So right here in these brakes, there's a pin that goes about this long into it and slides back and forth, and that's what lets the caliper float. You can see it moves a little bit there, but lets the caliper float. And so what they do is they remove these couple bolts, top and bottom, and they take these pins out and they lubricate them. They clean them up. The other thing they do is obviously they check the pad depth, check the rotor for wear and things like that. And then they also, right here where the pad slides, they clean and lubricate this. The bright side of doing that is your brakes don't seize up, so everything is kept moving. You don't have brake problems, less brake noise, all of those sort of things. The downside to it is it's a very, very simple service and is very expensive from a dealer. This is something a lot of people, if you have a little bit of DIY knowledge, could do it yourself at home. So once this is all apart, I'll show you the different pieces that actually get cleaned and lubricated. All right, I have the caliper off and the caliper bracket taken out as well, and I've pulled one of the pins here. So this is one of the pins that slide through these bores that lets it be a floating caliper. And you can see it's fairly dirty, but it's still well lubricated. It's moving smoothly, but if they do get gummed up, they start to be harder to move. This one's still not too bad either. It can still move fairly freely, but if these get seized up, then the pads start to drag. So if we take a look at the pads here, we can actually see a bit of uneven wear on these. So this is the outer pad, this is the inner pad where the pistons are on the caliper. So you can see there is a bit more wear on the inner brake pad, which is relatively normal because that's where the force is coming from. But if your pins don't slide very nicely, then only one of these will actually be doing the braking. It'll either bias the inside or the outside because the thing can't float and equalize itself. So that's why it's very important to actually do a brake service almost every year, in fact. But it is a very expensive thing to get done at the dealer. Once the pins are clean, they usually just use some sort of lubricant. This is just silicone paste, but you'll see a variety of different kinds of lubricants that can be used on brake slide pins. Then the other thing they'll do is, usually with a stiff brush or something like that, they'll clean up the slide. So this is where the brake pad actually sits, here and here on either side. So brake pad basically sits in here like this. I'm not going to try and slide it back in right now. And slides back and forth in that space. So if these get too gummed up, the pad won't slide and it'll stick. So these just get cleaned up and relubricated as well. So the other thing to do is to just check the rotors for wear. There's some rust on them, but where the pads actually ride here is pretty good. They're smooth, there isn't a big ridge on either side. So the rotors are still in decent shape on this vehicle. Then just the other thing to look at is the calipers themselves. Make sure that there's no leaks or any issues with the lines and things like that. So a lot of it is just a visual inspection of the vehicle and the brake system when you are doing one of these services. So that's just a really quick video on what a brake service is, as I'm doing one today on one of my vehicles. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.